No! Don't you dare!
Sorry, guys. Alright, let's get started. Alright, we got it. So, this is the last piece for my new PC. It's like the last stone of the Infinity Gauntlet. Seems a bit bigger than I thought. Do we have anything on the... Do I have to get my own screws for this shit? Or must have been how the case is designed. Never mind. Whoa! I wish you could smell it as well. This is actually nice. And this is... Funny to believe, this is the first official thing I bought with DisplayPort. About fucking time, but I'll save these up for the future. When I put this in, I hope King Charles III does not die the next morning.
I know I speak for all New Zealanders in conveying our deepest...
Alright, let's go. I have to lower this table down, hold on. Open the lid. And then I'll grab a drink. Here's to the completion of the Deepcool Dragon X. Yeah. Alright, we got it. One final push.
Nick Minute. God fucking damn it!
Secure. Yeah, you gotta do some work from the back too. That's what she said. Perfect. We got it. Get all the other shit out of the way. Doing some system tests on my computer with RTX 3050. Now I'm gonna do a SteveVR performance test. I see the frames are smooth, so that's a good start. Oh. Yes! Yeah! We got it! This computer's finally VR ready! Yes! Oh, look at that. Well above what is needed for recommended. Alright, you know what this means, Bobby the Whale? Whenever you're ready, send in that quest too. It's time to join Club Orion. So this is Club Orion, and this one is notorious for having a low latency video player. And it does not suit well for AMD Radeon users, but now that I got the RTX, time to meet your maker. God, this time, please. Come on. You can do it. Yes! We got it! Yes! No more flickering. No more low frame rates. Alright. This is perfect. Now, anybody that wants to book me for Club Orion, I'm officially open for that. Alright. So, I guess the journey's complete. This has been a complete build of the Deepcool Dragon X, my new computer. It's now got wings. And the results soar through the roof. Now I'm just one step closer to be VR Elite, meaning that I'm finally able to have VR gear for VR chat and see what goes on from there. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next month for more events at the castle. Peace out.